Today I'm going to show you how to set up alerts in TradingView. So you can set up price alerts directly on your chart. So let's say, for example, we want to set up a price alert round about here. If you go over to the right hand side, you'll see that there's that little plus icon. Click on that plus icon, and here you will be able to see add alert on this chart, which is Bitcoin USD, and at this point. Now let's say that that's not exactly the point that you wanted on. Go ahead and click on add alert on. You will now see that this line with the arrow at the end of it is the alert. Now if you go over to the right hand side, you can actually click on that. Okay, so you'll see this is it right over here, and now you can double click on it. Here you can change the condition of the alert, so it can be price or volume. Also, you can change it from crossing to crossing up, crossing down. There are some additional options. You can also then change the value. So let's say that we wanted it at 73,000 straight. We can then also add other conditions. Okay, you will need premium for that. Then you can have that triggered once only, or every single time it moves over that particular value. You can also see, you can have an expiration date, the message, and then you can also go in here to applications, and you can see, sorry, not applications, notifications, and then you can set where you will actually get that alert. Click on apply, and then you can go ahead, click on save, and that alert will be saved. You'll be able to continuously just click on the actual alert and see it right over there. Of course, if you'd like to delete it, you can go ahead and hit that trash can.